In this question, we just need to convert between some units. So for the first one, we're going to convert from electron volts to joules. So we've got 3.6 electron volts, which is going to be a very tiny number of joules. Now the conversion factor is that 1 electron volt is equal to 1.60 times 10 to the minus 19 joules. So that means if we've got 3.6 of these, we're just going to multiply 3.6 by 1.60 times 10 to the minus 19, which gives me an answer of 5.76, which I'm going to write to two significant figures as 5.8 times 10 to the minus 19 joules. Next, we've got 8.2 mega electron volts to joules. So if 1 electron volt is 1.60 times 10 to the minus 19, 1 mega electron volt is going to be 1.60 times 10 to the minus 19 times 10 to the 6, which is the same as 1.60 times 10 to the minus 13 joules. So it's going to be 1,000,000 times bigger than just the electron volt, and therefore to convert from 8.2 mega electron volts, we're just going to multiply 8.2 by 1.60 times 10 to the minus 13, which is 1.312, so I'm going to say that's equal to 1.3 times 10 to the minus 12 joules. And then finally, we're going to go the other way. We're going to convert from 2.7 times 10 to the minus 19 joules into electron volts. And here, rather than multiplying, we're going to divide. So we're going to divide 2.7 times 10 to the minus 19 by 1.60 times 10 to the minus 19. I guess we can see that these cancel, and therefore that's going to be equal to 2.7 divided by 1.6, which is 1.6875, so 1.7 electron volts. So that's just how we convert between electron volts and joules and back again. By the way, this is just one of many videos I've made covering all of the maths that you need to understand for A-level physics. It's part of a mini course which includes many more topic videos, multiple worked examples, and also a guide that you can download. You can find all of this over at alevelphysicsonline.com.